What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good afternoon, and welcome to this video in which we're covering Ethereum Classic again, or ETC. It's a crypto I try to cover every, 3 to 4 days. At least I've been doing that now. Before that I hadn't covered it for some time. Still, I think it's important, but also valuable and interesting to always, or to at least during these times, take a look at Ethereum Classic. Volume, first of all, it's amazing. It's at 900 million, which is 20% of the market cap, but 20% of the market cap of a 4.5 billion market cap, that's already amazing. 900 million, of course, in itself in daily volume is pretty great too. And I think it's interesting to take a look at ETC, obviously, because of the merge coming up. I have voiced my opinion on what that's going to do to ETC in previous videos. I'll quickly reiterate it in this video too. But I think it's just interesting to see how that plays out. Ethereum Classic obviously being proof of work, and Ethereum becoming proof of stake. So if we take a look at the analysis, my analysis hasn't really changed, maybe a little bit. Last analysis I said something like this would happen. That's still going on. I'm basically expecting this consolidation between 31.3 and 33.75. That has been going on. I said in that analysis that somewhere down the road, so for me, that means somewhere in the next week and a half, that we were going to drop down to this $28, $26 level. I still think that's going to happen, but this analysis kind of brings the illusion that I think it's going to happen soon. That's not necessarily the case. I think this consolidation range is pretty strong. I don't see us moving above $35. To me, the range we're in right now is between $35 as a resistance and 31.5 as a support. This trend line is pretty important because from that trend line, if the volume actually increases, that does give the chance of a bearish breakout out of $30, which is still kind of our support. If that happens, if we're below $30, we're dropping down to that $26, $28 level. All right, so this trend line is the only danger really within the next couple of days. Obviously, for a bearish breakout like this, you would need increased volume. So if the volume actually increases to like 1.1, 1.2 billion, if that happens, I think we're breaking down towards $28 and $26. If not, I think we'll just neglect that trend line and stay in this consolidation for a little bit longer. And when this move is going to happen, I actually do think we'll stay in that consolidation. So I don't think we'll get that bearish breakout. So I think this move is going to happen somewhere at the end of the week. Or during the middle of next week. All right, that would be it for now. I mean, it's always difficult to put a time frame on those kind of things. That's my opinion. That's still kind of trying to really predict things instead of analyzing it. But I do think somewhere like that would be, if you take a look at the moves we've had over the last couple of weeks and how they were timed, I think that would be a realistic estimate. So that's my update on Ethereum Classic for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.